Buhayog Madayaw. I am Jennifer Ricardo Romero. I am the Cluster Director of Sales for Dusit Hotels and Resorts. So yeah, we are talking about the art of letting go, but I am not letting go. I know that the last time that I was in this platform, I was with the City Tourism Office, but right now I am still in the tourism industry and looking at these people in the table. We still love to promote the Davao City. So I am not letting go. Si Sir Dom lang, or not just yet. So si Sir Dom lang ang nag-let go sa property, but all of us are not letting go of our love to promote Davao City and beyond. So for Dusit Hotels and Resort, we are having 3 properties in the city. So we have the Dusit D2 Hotel, the Dusit Residences, and of course the Dusit Lubi Plantation. And I agree, we will go to Samal, and do not forget to go to Mabini, Davao de Oro. So our Dusit Lubi Plantation is located in Mabini, Davao de Oro. So that's only 1 hour and 30 minutes away. And as mentioned by Discovery, we also have our welcome center beside Discovery. So we love our neighbors, we love everybody in the industry, and that's why we have our association, the Hotel Sales and Marketing Association, because we love what we do and we sell Davao City as a whole, for us to really attract more people coming here in Davao City. And we are not tired of promoting the city, and we are not tired of really participating with all the initiatives from the city government and of course the Department of Tourism, just to promote the city. More people coming here in Davao means more business for the private sectors, especially the accommodation and the MICE facilities that we're having. So much further, I will really push somehow for our Dusit Hotels and Resorts. So we will be having a booth in WTE. So Miss Miles, I told her just before the program started, nabawi ako sa kanya because when I was in the city tourism, I failed to attend the opening. So now that I'm already back in the hotel, in the private sector, I am here, and I am here in front of you now. The same platform, different places, but I am not letting go, as I said. So we will be having a lot of promos. Our promotions, expect that we will also be giving a lot more discounts. We will be having the book and buy for the 3 properties during the time. And I just would like to give the information, because this is summertime. Our Dusit Lubi Plantation also offers a day tour and even night tour packages. So for weekdays, our day tour is around 3,500, and you can use that all entire day in the island. So if you have a car, you can go there directly to the guest center of Mabini. But if you opt to get the shuttle service, we have a shuttle service from the Dusit Davao Hotel going to Mabini Welcome Center. So that's a scheduled shuttle, but you can avail and you can roam around the entire island for yourself for the entire day. And we also have a night tour. The night tour will start at around 4 or 3 p.m. Then you can enjoy the night view of the Dusit Lubi Plantation. So we will be giving a lot of discounts during the event, because I believe this is also the 3rd year of the Dusit Hotels and Resort supporting this travel expo. So I hope everybody will be there and everybody will support, because this is all for the love of Davao City and for everyone who really who really wanted to stay and relax. As mentioned by Miss Liza, so mahal ang gasolina, so we will stay. And we will not go far, and we will book a lot of rooms to all the participating exhibitors for this activity. So thank you and mabuhay.
Thank you so much. Let's give a big hand to our panelists for those wonderful insights, exciting offers, 20, 30, 40, 50.